I'm glad I remembered to put the sound on.
And the SD card in.
Strike 2, yeah.
So let's talk about the new Gunslinger from Reach It and Maker Products. What I love about this product and what I've found from actually using this product over the last 4 months is that I don't have the issues that you get with a regular bucket on a belt. You don't have the issues of it weighing down on your hip and your hip hurting, or that bucket coming in and hitting the back of your leg. And we all, just talking to these guys, all the traditional guys that were in the booth, and they all had the same complaint, and that's the bruises on your leg and it always hitting your leg. The outside, and you put it in and a little water goes over, you don't have to worry about that because it actually overflows right here. Here, just do that little clip, dump your bucket out, reclip, you're good to go.